Let's take one more question. Debit balance as per passbook 8,000 as on 31st December 2016. Check was issued to creditor but was omitted to be recorded by firm. Check of 1,000 was paid into bank but recorded as 100 by the firm. Check of 1,000 was deposited into bank but omitted to be recorded by accountant in cash book, and the amount was 1,000. So first of all, debit balance as per passbook. Debit D and passbook P, DP. It's not deputy commissioner, it's not commissioner of police. It means negative balance. So DC and CP are positive and others are negative. Negative balance means overdraft. So you can write down debit balance. In the bracket, you can write down overdraft. As per passbook, as on 31st December 2016, 8,000 on minus side. Now, let's take all the items one by one. Check was issued to creditor but was omitted to be recorded by the firm. It means we had to pay money to the creditors for credit purchases. We issued the check for 1,900 but omitted to be recorded in the cash book by the firm, by the accountant. It means there was no entry in the cash book, but 1,900 will be presented by the creditor at our bank, and the bank had paid 1,900. So let's see how it was happening. This is the graphic, cash book and passbook. Arrow is starting from passbook to cash book, because the question is as per passbook and our answer will be as per cash book. So we have to start from passbook and we have to reach cash book. So 1,900 check was presented and paid. So passbook was showing minus 1,900 and cash book was showing nothing, because the accountant forgot to enter this check in the cash book. So what should be added or deducted from the passbook that the total on both sides is 0? That will be plus 1,900. So come to the bank reconciliation statement. Check was issued to creditor but was omitted to be recorded by firm, 1,900 on the plus side. Then check of 1,000 was paid into bank but recorded as 100 by the firm. Means we received a check from some party, maybe from some customer of 1,000, and immediately this check was sent to the bank for collection, but the accountant entered it as 100. It means cash book was showing plus 100 and passbook was showing plus 1,000. So what should be added or deducted from passbook that the total on both sides is plus 100, because we have to reach the total of cash book, that is 100. So our answer will be minus 900. In this way, the total on both sides will be plus 100. So come to the bank reconciliation statement. Check of 1,000 was paid into bank but recorded as 100 by the firm, and 900 on minus side, minus items. Number 3. Check of 1,000 was deposited into bank was omitted to be recorded by accountant in the cash book. It means we got a check from some party of rupees 1,000. Maybe we sold the goods to some customer, and instead of paying cash, customer gave us the check, and we immediately entered the check in the cash book and sent to the bank. But actually what happened? It was omitted to be entered by the accountant in the cash book. It means cash book was showing 0 but passbook was showing 1,000, because when we deposit the check, the bank will collect money on our behalf from another bank and will deposit that amount in our account. So passbook is showing plus 1,000, cash book is showing 0. So what should be added or deducted from passbook that the total on both sides is 0? Answer is minus 1,000. So in this way, the answer is minus 1,000. So you will write down check of 1,000 was deposited into bank but omitted to be recorded by accountant in the cash book, 1000 on minus side. So total on plus side plus 1000, total on minus side 9900. So you can see the total of minus side is higher. So our answer will be overdraft as per, means this is the negative balance. We started our question from passbook, but our answer will be as per cash book. So answer is overdraft as per cash book 8000. 8000 can be write down in the minus side, or you can write down in the particulars, whatever. There is no particular presentation of bank reconciliation statement. So you can follow your teacher or your book.